The Supreme Court heard oral arguments in the controversial and consequential Moore versus Harper case today. That's the one that could literally change the way we all vote in presidential elections and, through what's known as independent state legislature theory, throw election checks and balances pretty much out the window. I have a whole video to explain what's at stake. It's pinned. Today, the justices asked questions and heard arguments from both sides for about 3 hours. Yes, it's true, some justices seemed to side with those who argued in favor of independent state legislature theory, and then there were some justices who seemed to be vehemently opposed to it. But there were 3 justices who seemed like they could really kind of go either way, or maybe even find a middle ground. Chief Justice John Roberts and Justices Kavanaugh and Barrett. Now, it is really important to understand you should not be putting too much stock into what you heard during oral arguments. Just because a justice seemed to lean a certain way during the questioning doesn't necessarily mean that's the way that justice will rule in the end. We will likely get a ruling from the Supreme Court on the Moore versus Harper case at the end of the term around June.